Hello everybody, Mr. Odom here, and we are going to look at problem 30 from section 2.1. You are going to need a pencil, composition book, or notebook paper, and a calculator. And the learning target for this video is, at the end, hopefully you'll be able to say, I can order rational numbers from least to greatest. Okay, we did this, a little bit of this in chapter 1 where we had to order numbers and absolute values from least to greatest. So we're going to do it again, only we're going to be working with decimals and fractions. So let's get started. Problem 30. And here's a strong recommendation. All right, you have an option. You could change all of these into fractions, or you could change all of these into decimals. And the reason we change them all into one or the other is because if they all look like decimals, then it's easy to order them. If they all look like fractions, it could be pretty easy to order them, but with fractions, I can't really order them unless they all have a common denominator. So my recommendation for problems like this is to change everything into decimals. All right, so let me write the problem down. Negative 1.4, negative 8/5, 0.6, negative 0.9, and 1/4. All right, so let's change these into decimals. Really, there's only two values I need to change into decimals. Everything else is a decimal. Woohoo! So, negative 1.4, negative 8/5 is negative 1.6. Okay, and 6/10, so I have 0.6. I have negative 0.9, and then 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. All right, so let's focus on these negative values first. Which one of those numbers is the farthest from 0? All right, the one that's the farthest from 0 would be negative 1.6. Okay, so between negative 0.9 and negative 1.4, which one is farthest from 0? Well, negative 1.4 would be farther away from 0 than negative 0.9. And then, so what comes next? Negative 0.9. All right. And then I deal with my positive numbers. And it's pretty easy to see that 0.6 comes next, and then 0.25. All right, so we got to this step, and we're not done yet. We're not done because these are the values that we started with. So we need to finish our problem by putting these numbers in the correct order. Okay, so negative 1.6, well, that was negative 8/5, so that comes first. Negative 1.4 was just negative 1.4. Same with negative 0.9. Same with 0.6. And then 0.25, that was 1/4. Okay, so I finished the problem and I have ordered the numbers that I started with. They are ordered from least to greatest. All right, so if you have questions about this, make sure you bring them to class. We'll practice this some more. And you guys are awesome. Thanks a lot. I'll see you soon. I'm out.